Gotta move your mouth. Oh, what are you doing now?
Taking the video.
You're such a ham.
Are you eating your pears?
Yes.
That good stuff.
That is good stuff, huh? That is good stuff. Whoops, I got some on your nose. Oh, your pawpaw's just a mess. Good stuff. That's good stuff. What you trying to do there, bub?
Dashel.
Hey. Dash. You want some more? Gotta move your hands. You gotta move your hands. Here.
He says, no,
Are we done?
I want to play.
Is we done?
Dashel.
Hey, got just a little bit more to go.
He says, I'll help myself, thank you.
Is you about done? Is you about done?